Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day, and you know what that means. For today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so you know our practice here. I'll be putting everything that you need to know, from prices, product codes, SKU, product features. All you need to do is ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your personal reference. And for pre-orders, kindly check with your CAs or the website. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Speedies. First, we have the metal Speedy size 20 from the PHARREL x NIGO Collaboration Fall Winter 2025 collection. It features metal mesh material in the Speedy size 20 with cowhide leather trims. So I'm seeing it has a detachable chunky chain strap, bag tag, and the color of this one is gold. So what do you think of the metal Speedy, guys? Next, we have the satin Speedy size 35. So the material is satin with cowhide leather trims. So as you're going to see here, the front part of the satin has the embroidery detail like this. It says Paris, Tokyo. And I'm seeing it comes with leather detachable clochette and bag tag with adjustable shoulder strap. Next, on the Runway collection, we have patches Speedy 35, still from the Fall Winter 2025 collection. So this is the close-up of the patches that it comes with. The base of the bag is soft leather goods. It would come with detachable strap. It would have a bag tag, key clochette as well, padlock and key set, and the colorway of this one is color noir or black. Next, we have the Keepall in the Damier Ebene material. So this one material is Damier Ebene Canvass with cowhide leather trims, and it has the PHARREL and NIGO logo in front. It would come with detachable strap, bag tag, bag charms, padlock, and keys. So as you can see, this is how the bag looks like. So I'm also expecting that that is not a soft leather good. Then we have DENIM SPEEDY. So this one material is denim and NIGO camouflage patchwork detail. It would come with cowhide leather trims as well, detachable strap, bag tag, bag charm, padlock, and key set. So what do you think of this one? So guys, don't be confused because on top of this one, it has another denim Louis Vuitton bag. Then we have Keepall size 30. So material is the Damier Ebene Canvass with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable strap, and this is the bag tag, guys, that you could fully detach. It would come with padlock and key set as well. So what do you think now, guys, of the Damier Ebene Keepall 30? Next, we have the Speedy P9. This one is size 30. So of course, material is soft leather with cowhide leather trims. It would have a detachable strap, bag tag, bag charms, and padlock and key set as well. I'm loving, of course, the bag charms here, like the plushy bag charms. I'm sure they are following suit with the Labubu or Pop Mart bag charm trend. So as you can see, we have another Speedy P9 size 30. So this time, the colorway of the Speedy is like gold. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the size of this one is either 25 or 30. Of course, guys, it comes with detachable leather clochette and bag tag. It would have padlock and key set as well. So the bag charm may be an add-on or additional purchase. Then we have the Speedy P9 size 30. Loving this colorway, this pastel pink colorway. It's not too bright, but it's not too soft either. So it would come with the same features, bag tag, key clochette, bag tag, and key set. It would come with this new chain bag strap, as we could see here. So again, this is the Speedy P9 size 30. Speedy P9 guys, please take note those are made of 100% soft leather. First we have Keepall Utilitarian. So this one material is soft leather. It would come with cowhide leather trims, multi-pockets in front. It would have detachable strap, bag tag, bag charm, padlock, and key set as well. So what do you think guys of the utilitarian look of the Keepall or Speedy? Then of course we have Speedy P9 in the croc exotic leather finish. Material is croc leather as we can see, so this is the close-up. It comes with multi-pockets in front, detachable strap, bag tag. It would come with bag charms, padlock, and key set as well. Next, we have Speedy 25 P9, but this time it would come in the exotic croc finish as we can see here. I love the shiny red colorway of this one. It would come of course with detachable bag charms. It would come with bag tag, block, and key set as well. So what do you think of the Croc Speedy P9? I'm sure the price would be a lot more expensive. Then guys, we have another Speedy 35 P9. The material of this one of course is in the exotic ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. So it has like pockets in front, pockets on the side as well. Of course, it would come with adjustable leather strap. It would come with bag tag and key clochette keys and key set as well. Next, we have Speedy 35 P9. So this is in the soft pink colorway. Main material is exotic croc leather. It would come with detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. It would come with bag tag, clochette, key and padlock set as well. The hardware of this one is silver. So next on the collection, we have the Speedy Graffiti. So I'm not really sure if this is or if they are going to bring back the Sprouse collection, so because the writing is almost the same. So the main material of this one is soft leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable strap, bag tag, bag charm, padlock, and key set as well. I'm loving the contrast of the graffiti from the black leather of this bag. Then we have the Speedy quote-unquote sketch, and that is the reason why, as you can see on the entirety of the bag, we have the Louis Vuitton trunk detail. Of course, the main material of this bag is soft leather in the Eclipse monogram canvas. It would come with bag tag, key clochette, key, and padlock sets. Next on the collection, this is very cute. So we have Keepall 25 and Keepall 30 in the same design as well. So material is reverse monogram canvas. It would come with cowhide leather trims, detachable strap, bag tag, bag charm, padlock, and key. So this is this Keepall 30 guys with the same feature as the Keepall 25. Next we have the Keepall quote-unquote origami. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable strap, and the reason why I'm calling this the origami Keepall, as you can see, it has folds like the traditional Japanese origami. So it has a red lobster bag tag, but I'm sure that is an added purchase. Then we have another graffiti bag, this time in the Keepall bag. So as you can see, the entirety of the bag comes with the Louis Vuitton logo or graffiti. It would come with detachable leather bag tag and adjustable leather strap. Next, we have Speedy P9 size 25, still from the PHARREL x NIGO Fall Winter 2025 collection. Material soft leather, and we're going to see here guys, it has the PHARREL and NIGO face in front of the bag. It would come with untreated leather vachetta trims, bag tag, and detachable strap as well. Next on the collection, we have Keepall 30. So this one, material is leather. So I'm not really sure that this is a vachetta leather, guys. Just kindly stand by for more update once we have more info and prices on this collection. But I'm loving the colorway of this one. It's like a caramel colorway, which is, it looks very yummy, but of course it comes with the Lobster bag charm as well. Next, we have Speedy 25. So this one, it's nothing, I'm not really sure guys if this is soft leather, but it looks canvas to me. of the Damier Ebene Canvass, cowhide leather trims, detachable strap. It would come with a bag tag and it would come with bag charms, padlock, and key set as well. Next on the collection, we have Speedy P9. So another Speedy P9. This is made in soft leather. It would come with studs in the cowhide leather trims. As you can see, the Louis Vuitton Shibuya Paris, this lettering is made of studs as well. It would come with chain strap that you could wear as a bag charm. It would come with amenities like key clochette, keys, and padlock set. Then let's go to the leather tote design. First, we have this one. So from the PHARREL x NIGO. So this camouflage detailing is very NIGO. He has done this with the previous collection that he has done for LV. So this is another look. It comes in different materials, classic monogram canvas, the Damier Ebene, and it would have reverse monogram canvas as well. Then we have a leather tote. So this one, if I'm not mistaken, we could call this leather tote size BB because this is very teeny tiny compared to the other one from the Fall Winter 2025 collection. Material is soft leather with cowhide leather trims, as we could see here. So I'm not really sure at this point if it would come with detachable crossbody strap. Then we have the Damier Ebene tote. So this is another cute design for the collection. So as you could see, it is on the size BB. Guys, is it just me? Does the face of PHARREL and NIGO looks like eyes in the way I'm looking at it? So it's like two eyeballs, and then of course the Louis Vuitton logo is the mouth of this bag. Then we have another tote bag, but this time it is made of exotic croc leather. As we could see here, it would come with cowhide leather trims as well. So this is the close-up. Although I'm not really loving this one, it doesn't look really luxurious to me. So another leather tote bag in the exotic croc leather. This is the photo. Then we have the return of the classic Louis Vuitton leather tote. So this time in the size BB. I could remember I was walking one time at a mall. One of you guys, one of my subbies, approached me and was asking if I could recommend him to my city for him to get the original size of this leather tote bag. Then we have another design and colorway. I love the olive green color of this leather tote bag. So this is a soft leather goods with cowhide leather trims, as you could see. So I'm not really sure if that another Louis Vuitton box bag comes with, but I'm pretty sure that is an add-on or an additional purchase, which I feel would be very expensive because it is made of soft leather goods. Then we have leather tote. So this one in the classic monogram canvas. So this is from the soft leather goods collection as well. So PHARREL and NIGO's affinity to the Lobster. So this time they are using the claws as a bag charm. So what do you think of that bag charm as well? Isn't it too morbid, guys, or that is okay with you? Next, we have another leather tote bag in the graffiti all over it. So the main material is soft leather tote. It comes with detachable bag tag, as we could see here, and I believe this one would come with detachable crossbody strap. Loving the size of this one. It is a good everyday bag. It could also be perfect for travel because of the size. Next, we have Lobster bag. So this is another, I believe, a very rare bag from LV. So if you were a fan of the duck bag, the dog bag, or the pooch bag, then now we have the Lobster bag. So this one, main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is cute, a little bit different from the classic LV bags that has walked the runway. Another design bag by PHARREL. So we have the Louis Vuitton leather dust bag. So now finally the dust bag of LV is transformed into a bag. So they are using soft leather. So it comes in different colorway as well, like this one. It kind of reminds me of the, I think, was it flamenco bag of Loewe? Kindly comment down below. And then of course we have the Louis Vuitton leather hobo, as we can see here, very utilitarian as well. So I'm sure this is very comfortable to wear with the soft leather material. It would come with cowhide leather trims with gold hardware as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!